Hey guys, welcome to our channel. In today's video is we're gonna learn about how to link bank account to PayPal. So first things first is you'll just need to log in first onto your PayPal account. Now here, onto PayPal's dashboard, you should be able to see different settings in here such as this add card or bank. So you'll just have to click onto this one so that you could go ahead and try to add or link your bank account to PayPal. So just click onto that. Then right after, you'll have two options. So you could link a credit card and then you could also link a bank account. So we'll click the second option in here. And then right after, you'll just need to fill in the details in here, such as your bank name, bank code, and then your account number. Also, you could edit your name in here and then just simply click onto your link your bank. And then right after, it should be linked already onto your PayPal account. And if you think this has been helpful, don't forget to hit the like, subscribe, and we'll see you on to our next video.